49 is just as dangerous as a gathering of 51, especially if it's inside. So I think it's an attempt to do something without angering the base of people that are very adamant about not doing it.
Rapid, uncontrolled spread of the coronavirus is forcing some local cities and counties to rethink their COVID-19 strategy. But some say new rules coming to Johnson County don't go far enough. Thanks for joining us for KCTV5 News at 10 tonight. Those new rules set to go into effect in just about an hour and a half at midnight. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar spent the day in Johnson County learning exactly what those new restrictions will look like.
Right now, bars and restaurants in Johnson County are preparing to close at midnight. That's when the new public health order goes into effect, requiring they close when the clock strikes 12. Business owners and doctors question how much that's really going to help. Like all bars and restaurants across the nation, the other place in Overland Park is struggling.
The last couple of months have been decent. They're nothing like they were pre-COVID, pre-March 16th. I mean, we're still trying to catch up from that.
Starting Monday, yet another restriction on business. They'll have to close at midnight instead of 2 a.m.
Better than close us down.
General Manager Clayton Prestwood says a 10 p.m. close time would have been devastating, so he's grateful for the compromise by the county. But
I don't know what midnight does or 10 o'clock does to stop the virus spread, because, I mean, it's just the time.
We asked ER doctor and member of St. Luke's Health System's COVID response team, Dr. Mark Larson, if he thinks Johnson County's newest public health order will help slow the spread.
I don't know. I think it sounds like it's an attempt to do something without doing anything, to be honest.
The order requires social distancing in all public spaces, except places like nail salons or tattoo parlors, where it's hard to stay apart. It also limits mass gatherings to 50 people or 50% fire code capacity. But exempt from that rule are restaurants, bars, gyms, retail stores, schools, places of worship, and more.
While I applaud the fact that something is being done, I think we need to continue to go further.
St. Luke's is dangerously close to capacity. They're seeing an influx of COVID patients and transfer requests from the region and even out of state, all at a time when staffing is stretched as well.
I think that the medical community would be all in agreement that we need to do what we can to stop the spread of the disease. Obviously, nobody wants to see an entire lockdown, but we also understand that we need to do what's right, even if it's hard.
And more restrictions are on the way for Kansas City, Missouri. Mayor Quentin Lucas's office confirmed to us tonight there will be an announcement tomorrow. KCTV5 will be there, so count on us to give you the details. Reporting in Overland Park, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.
As Johnson County prepares to ramp up its orders, at least one Missouri health system is reacting to recent spikes by canceling certain elective procedures and surgeries. Effective tomorrow, BJC hospitals in the St. Louis area will cancel electives for at least the next 8 weeks as beds continue to fill with COVID patients.